Now, children, let's start with chapter number 16, national symbols. In this chapter, we will study about different national symbols. So, India, it is an independent country. After independence, India has adopted its national symbol, right? They are the symbol of freedom and unity. So, our national flag, our national emblem, our national anthem, our national animal, bird, flower. What are these? These are some national symbols. Being Indian, we must always respect them. So let's study about our national flag, which is rectangular tricolor, which have three colors: saffron, white, and green. These colors have different meaning. Saffron at the top stands for sacrifice and courage. White in the middle stands for purity, peace, and truth. Dark green, which is in the bottom, which stands for prosperity. So the navy blue colored chuck is the center, which has 24 spokes. The Dharm chuck or the wheel of law was the first used by Ashok the Great. The chuck stands for motion and progress. The spoken represent number of hours in a day. And our national flag, it's hosted in our national festival, right? So we must follow certain rules with regard to national flag. What are these? The national flag should always flutter at the topmost of the mast, right? It should be hosted from sunrise to sunset. It should be lowered after the sunset. Saffron the band होगा हमेशा top पे होगा, dark green हमेशा bottom पे होगा, ठीक है? And the national flag is taken out in the procession. It must be right shoulder of the leading person. And when it was adopted on the 22 July 1947. We must not host a dirty or torn national flag. Whenever the national flag is being hosted, we must stand at attention. And Tiranga is the sacred to us, so we must show respect to it. इसलिए हम देखा ना जब भी हम national flag को host करते हैं हम बिल्कुल straight खड़े. Next is national emblem, which is the official seal of government of India. It represents authority of nation. One can find it on government document, coin, currency notes, and letters. The national emblem of India shows three visible lions. The fourth lion is hidden. आप हमेशा देखेंगे आपको थ्री लॉयन आप किसी भी साइड से देखेंगे only three lions are visible and fourth one is not visible. And national emblem has a horse and bull. It is a wheel between the bull and horse, which is same as you see in a national flag. At the bottom you will see it is written Satyamev Jayate, a truth always trumps, right? और ये आपकी कौन से स्क्रिप्ट में लिखे हैं? देवनागरी. And from where it is taken? It is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Our national emblem has been taken from the lion capital erected by King Ashoka Great in Sarnath. And the four lions are the garden of four directions. They stand for courage, power. The horse stands for energy and speed. The bull stands for hard work. And these qualities, they are expected amongst the your Indian. Now we have national anthem. So every free country has national anthem. Our national anthem, Jan Gan Man, it was written by great poet Rabindranath Tagore. Right? It is a song to praise our beautiful country. When we sing or hear it is being played, we must stand in attention. ये क्या है आपके? ये कुछ national emblem हो गया, national flower हो गया, national flag, they are shown over there. Now national animal, bird and flower. National animal, Royal Bengal tiger. National bird, peacock. National flower, lotus. And if we see it stand for truth, knowledge, and our national symbol represent the ideas of the country. We should respect, love all these symbols, right? Hope you understood. Now we have completed the chapter. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.